talk? Like, can we know each other?
Like, очень приятно познакомиться, right?
Очень приятно познакомиться. Very nice to meet you.
Приятно познакомиться, nice to meet you, right?
Yes.
That's good.
You're doing well.
Приятно познакомиться.
Взаимно.
Взаимно. Me too, right?
Yes, yes.
Взаимно. Ты очень красивая. Right?
Right.
Yeah, like ты очень красивая is girls, right? And when you wanna say like boys, it's ты очень красивая. Краси.
No.
It's different.
It's different. Красивый.
Красивый is girls, right?
No, it's guys.
Guys, очень красивый.
Да.
Очень красивая is girls. I can say girl.
No. Красивая is girls. Красивый is guys.
Красивая is girls. Красивый is boys.
Right. Well. Yeah, and BG is also learning Russian. So do you know this? What does it mean, BG?
Beiji?
Yeah, number 4.
Number 4.
Нет.
Очень красивая, you don't know?
No, I don't, sorry.
It's very beautiful.
Okay, okay. I remember now. Thank you.
Yeah, you can pronounce. You can try to pronounce if you wish.
Очень красивый. Очень красиво.
Yeah, good job.
Thank you. Спасибо. So what else are you teaching?
Yeah. What else I taught Lee? Nice to meet you. Очень приятно познакомиться.
Очень приятно познакомиться. How can I say, where are you going?
Куда ты идешь?
Куда ты идешь?
Right. Very well.
Куда ты... I am going... How can I say? I am going to...
Я иду.
Я иду в магазин.
В магазин.
Магазине.
No, в магазин.
В магазин. Я иду в магазин.
Right.
It's a little bit easy, I think.
Your pronunciation is very good. You were born to talk in Russian.
Yeah, but I cannot speak, you know. I don't know the grammar. I know a little bit for word only.
Kosha, you know BG?
BG?
Long time no see. Has it been a long time? I don't remember, man. But I have seen you before. Hello,
Gosha is
everyone.
teacher, right? Yeah, I know Gosha. I know. He's teacher and...
Kosha, see, people know you as a teacher.
Gosha is teacher?
Yes.
Yeah, and I know the Gosha's pronunciation is very good, I think. Like, English also is very good. Amazing. Better me.
Yes.
Hello, number 4, number 5.
Hey, man. Hello.
JG, hello.
Hello.
We've talked, I think, somewhere.
Swiben letter.
Yeah.
With JZ, I think we talked somewhere.